So the moment you start using jelly scrub, you will start having silky skin. Your skin will start shining and you will never want to stop. You are welcome to my channel. Subscribe to this channel if you are all about skincare and hair care. So in here we have sugar and turmeric. Like, I did not even notice that I wasn't recording. Like, I did not press the recording when I started, measuring my sugar and then my turmeric. So I'm very sorry for that. But the measurement of everything will be on the screen. So that is our ascorbic acid right there. I want this scrub to be super brightening. Like I said, it will give you shining skin. Again, it will brighten your skin. It will help with your dark spots, hyperpigmentations, and then you can use it on your face. It's like face and body scrub. So those of you that have acne or pimples on your face and they told you not to use scrub on your face because it will make it worse, they are lying to you. Like, come on, they are lying to you, okay? I don't even know how to emphasize on this. They are lying to you. The thing is, if you have experience using scrub and then your acne or pimples get worsened, that's because the scrub is not right for your face. But the best time, like the best situation to use scrub is when you have acne and pimples. Like, it will wash all the dead skin cell that is clogging your pores and making the acne and pimples come out on your face. You get, so just use the right scrub and girl, your face will glow, it will shine. So that's our jojoba oil right there. This is one of the oils that are good for acne, that are good for pimples, that are good for your face, even if you have oily skin, okay? If you don't know road, follow who know road, okay? So we are still currently undergoing our online skincare training at 50% discount. By January, it will go back to its normal price, if not higher. So there's an opportunity for you to know how to formulate skincare product, know how to use the right ingredients for your skincare productions, and stop wasting raw materials. You get, stop wasting raw materials and start fetching money on this business, okay? So this is my lavender essential oil to make it, like, to give it extra boost, again to make it scent like lavender, because you are not expected to use fragrance on anything face when you are dealing with acne or pimples. I don't know if you know that, but you are not required. That's where the essential oils come in. If you wanted to have some kind of scent, and then you are not required to use fragrance, you get, because if you are treating acne or pimples, like, focus on the healing, focus on treating the patient face or condition or your condition, rather than scenting or scented products or whatever it is. Okay, so this is my foam booster, or I call it soap booster. I made it myself. This helped to give scrub jelly texture. I so much like that, the jelly texture that it's helped to give scrub. But if you don't have this, of course you don't have it, because you cannot get it in the market. I'm the one that did it myself. So you can use shower gel, okay? You can use shower gel. Shower gel will help to give it that semi jelly texture. So those of you that complain I don't give measurements in percentage, like, why will I do that? Seriously, you call yourself a skincare formulator. Of course you know how to calculate in percentage, like you know how to convert percentage to grams, gram to percentage, right? Then calculate the grams in and turn it to percentage and replicate your formula. The reason why I don't do that is because my channel is not only for skincare formulators, it's also for beginners that are new into this skincare formulations. So of course they will not know what to do with percentage, you get. So I'm just trying to carry everyone along. I hope you understand. I will not be using preservative in this. As you can see, there's small badge, like, but I will be giving you the full measurement with preservative, so that when you want to make it like a large batch, you can do that. You get. So this is our scrub. It's looking very nice, and trust me, it is a very good scrub. So feel free to use this even if you have acne on your face, even if you have pimples on your face. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.